everyone, it's David from CNET, and today we're taking a deep dive into Amazon's latest and greatest e-readers. A few months back, Amazon dropped some big news at their fall product event, announcing 3 new Kindle Scribe models, including a flagship color version. Well, the wait is over. Just in time for the holidays, 2 of those models have officially landed. I've got my hands on the brand new Kindle Scribe Color Soft and the updated monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light, and I'm putting them through their paces right now. Now, let's talk about the big question, the price. These new Scribes aren't cheap. The standard Scribe with a front light will set you back $500. If you want that beautiful color display, you'll need to shell out $630 for the Kindle Scribe Color Soft. That's a significant jump from last year's models. But Amazon says there are some key upgrades that justify the cost, and that's what we're here to find out. Is it worth it? First up, the design. The new Scribes pack a larger 11-inch screen into a body that feels very similar to the previous version. How did they do it? By shrinking the bezels? The result is more screen real estate without making the device feel bulky. They're also slimmer, at just 5.4 millimeters thick, and lighter too, dropping from 430 grams to 400 grams. This makes a real difference when you're holding it for long periods. Inside, there's a new custom MediaTek processor that Amazon claims gives a 40% performance boost. Everything from turning pages to opening books should feel much snappier. A quick heads up though, unlike the Paperwhite, these Scribe models are not waterproof, so you'll want to be careful around the pool or bathtub. Let's talk about that new screen, because it's the star of the show, especially on the Color Soft. Amazon has completely redesigned the display stack. They're using a new mini-LED lighting system, which allows for those slimmer bezels and promises more uniform lighting across the screen. There's also a new texture-molded glass that improves the feel of writing with the pen. It has just the right amount of friction, and they've worked to shrink the parallax, which is the tiny gap between the pen tip and the ink on the screen. Now, it feels almost exactly like writing directly on paper. Now, if you followed the launch of the smaller Kindle Color Soft last year, you might remember an issue some users had with a faint yellow tint or banding along the edges of the screen, especially when the front light was on. Amazon paused shipping to fix the problem and replaced affected units. They said it only affected a small number of devices, but it was definitely a concern. So, naturally, the very first thing I did when I unboxed the new Kindle Scribe Color Soft was check for that yellow tint. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and examined it from every angle. I'm happy to report I didn't see any of that yellowing. The screen looks clean, uniform, and vibrant. It seems the new, more advanced display design has completely solved that problem. The colors are soft. As the name suggests, this is e-ink, not an LCD tablet, but they add a whole new dimension to reading magazines, comics, and highlighting text. It's a game changer for the Kindle experience. I usually keep my lights warm setting on the cooler side, around a 7 or 8, which gives a nice, crisp white background. And even then, the screen looks flawless. So, who are these new Scribes for? If you're a heavy reader who also loves to take notes, annotate documents, or sketch ideas, the Scribe has always been a compelling device. It combines the best reading experience of a Kindle with the functionality of a digital notebook. With the new Color Soft model, it gets even better. Now, you can color code your notes, enjoy graphical content in a more natural way, and see book covers as the artist intended. It really bridges the gap between a traditional e-reader and a more versatile tablet. The price is high, but you're getting a premium, specialized device. It's a direct competitor to products like the remarkable Paper Pro, which costs about the same. What's coming next? Well, the entry-level Kindle Scribe without a front light, priced at $430, is still listed as coming soon and isn't expected until early 2026. So, for now, the choice is between the monochrome Scribe with a front light and the flagship Color Soft. Over the next few days, I'll be testing battery life, the writing experience, and how that 40% performance boost feels in the real world. I'll be diving into the software to see what's new and comparing it directly to its predecessors and competitors. So, my first impressions are very positive. The new Scribe Color Soft is a beautiful, refined piece of hardware that fixes the one big concern from its smaller sibling. The display is fantastic. It feels great in the hand, and it's noticeably faster. Is it worth the $630 price tag? That's the big question I'll be answering in my full review. So make sure you're subscribed to the CNET channel to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.